70% of the nuclear deterrent in the United States is on submarines. We now have systems on every submarine in the Navy fleet. We're in New Hampshire making parts that are critical.
Not everyone builds stuff for the Navy. You're making it for someone's safety.
These pieces of equipment are literally what is maintaining global stability. We build the systems that enable the sailor to breathe. We build the systems that allow the submarine to listen for what's around it. And we build antennas that allow it to communicate all of that information out to the military at large. Their mission is our mission.
But it gives you an opportunity to serve your country in a different way. It's just the proudness of knowing that you're helping defend the country. You can serve right here, you know, in your hometown, basically.
I'm taking care of not just, my family by working here. I'm taking care of other people's families and protecting our country. And it's as simple as that. That's how I feel.
If I could say one thing to an applicant who's considering GSM as the place that they want to advance their career, it's that you do important work for yourself and for our country in an environment that's small company and supportive. It's a different feel here.
Taking pride in my work, that's what drives me, really.
You name it, we do it. It's not a job that you can sum up in one word.
GSM has great growth opportunities for new hires and new grads looking to get into the field of engineering or manufacturing, because you're able to work on a wide variety of projects at a wide variety of scales.
It's a good place to get your feet wet in every part of the engineering process.
When you come to work for us, you're going right into the game. You are actually going to be working on important things day one. Largest machine centers that are available in the country we have in our new Nashville facility. And those opportunities just don't exist in New Hampshire. I'm proud to be able to bring these kind of opportunities in this state.
It's there ready for you to grab. This company is really good about that.
The opportunities are endless. They give you the opportunity to go after whatever your intentions are.
That's one great thing about GSM. They don't stifle anybody. They want you to move forward.
We've changed our pay scale even in this company. It's a skill-based. So if you come in and you can show us that you can move up and add these skills quickly, we're going to move you up to that ladder as fast as possible.
We attract and hire and retain the best people by giving them a path. Some people want to be an engineer. Some people want to be a CNC programmer or just better at being a machinist.
I've received a lot of support in trying to get my education. They have a great tuition reimbursement program here. It's all about the employee at the end of the day and what benefits them. So it makes coming to work very enjoyable.
So my mission is to make sure that we have the best people in the best positions and the most important positions in our company, and then to coach them, to help coach them to be the best that they can be.
Hiring veterans is key to us. Veterans come with a unique can-do attitude, and they've proven themselves to be able to work together as a unit. And that's how we have to work down here. GSM works like that as a family. It's a proud moment, to work for my fellow servicemen.
My service in the Navy relates to the work at GSM. It's the same industry, same customer, same pride to service.
When you work here, people will get to know your name, they know your face, they know what you do here. That goes a long way. If at a bigger company, you may get lost in the mix a bit, but here we have a rich community and we work together. This is one of the better teams I've ever seen in my career.
I've been with a lot of different shops. And here we have the closest group that I've ever worked with. I've been here almost 19 years. I drive an hour and a half to get to Manchester, and I've been doing it for 18 years, so there's a reason.